So now take a look on some general settings. Now I will show you how to log in and log out. For this, here you can see your profile, and under your profile you can see a logout button. When you click on it, it will take you to login page. I will remove extra link and then enter. Now here you can see it's your site sample page. I haven't added anything yet on my website. So to log in, I will type slash wp slash and then I will type admin. Then press enter. It will take you to login page. Now here you have to add your login credentials. I will add my email and then I will add my password. And then click on login. Now you have successfully logged into your WordPress dashboard. I will show you how to add and install themes and plugins, but first of all I will show you some general settings. For this, go to users and click on profile. Here you can make changes in user profile. Here is the admin color scheme. You can change it and you can see the dashboard color was changed. I will use modern or midnight. Modern is perfect. Now scroll down. Here is the username. You cannot change the username, but you can change the appeared name. If you add a blog and you show your name as author, you can add your custom name here. Here, remember one thing, add a email that is active. So if you forget your password, WordPress will send a link to your active email. After that, just click on update profile. Now your profile was updated. Now next I will fix these links. For this, I will hover over settings and then go to permalinks. Now here you can see some permalinks structure. Here is the plain structure, day and name with your post name, month or numeric, but I will use and I suggest you to use post name because it only shows your post name front of your domain, which is SEO friendly. So after selecting the post name, just click on save changes.